Today, you enter a bathroom alone. You lock the door. You expect silence and privacy. In ancient Rome, none of that existed. You sat next to strangers. You talked. You negotiated. Sometimes, you even made political deals. Because in Rome, the toilet was not private. It was public. Roman public toilets were called latrines, long stone benches, perfectly round holes. No walls, no dividers, no privacy. Rich or poor, senator or slave, everyone sat together. For Romans, using the toilet was a social activity. There was no toilet paper in ancient Rome. Instead, they used something called a tersorium, a sponge attached to a stick, used by everyone. After use, it was rinsed in salt water and passed to the next person. Hygiene existed, germ theory did not. Rome didn't just build toilets. It built one of the first massive sewer systems in human history, the Cloaca Maxima. Built more than 2,500 years ago, parts of it still function today. Rome understood one thing clearly: civilization begins with waste management. Roman toilets were advanced, but also dangerous. Poisonous gases rose from the sewers. Snakes and rats sometimes entered through the pipes, and structural collapses were not uncommon. In Rome, people sometimes entered a toilet and never came out. The Greeks preferred simpler, private solutions. The Egyptians used sand and containers. Each civilization handled waste differently, but Rome turned the toilet into architecture, engineering, and public life. Public toilets looked equal, but society wasn't. Disease spread faster among the poor. Access wasn't always the same. Even in shared spaces, inequality survived. Civilization is not only temples and palaces. Civilization is how a society deals with its waste. The Romans understood that. The real question is, do we?